What's going on, everybody? Today, per viewer request, I am going to teach you how to tie a blood knot. First, you want to start with two lines crossing each other, then pinch where they intersect in the middle. Take the end section of one line and wrap it around 4 times, then bring it through the loop created where they intersect. Once that's completed, pinch the loop and the tag to hold in place. And do the same thing to the other side. Only this time you want to bring this tag end through the loop in the opposite direction. This is what it should look like more or less. The knot is tightened by pulling on the lines on either side of the knot. Add saliva before cinching down the knot completely to prevent the line from burning. Snip off both tag ends and there you have your blood knot. Subscribe for more useful fishing content.